Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can auto-save your Snapchat story on memories.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, scroll until you can view My Story and then tap on the three-dot icon. After that, toggle on the button beside the Auto-Save Snaps to Memories. Once you're done, select the Done option. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.